Hey guys, this is Aaron with Vacant Land Guys. Just wanted to do another video here for you. We have a 0.53 acre lot here in Concho, Arizona in Apache County. Pack your bags, let's check it out. Settle down, build a little home here. Lots of neighbors in this area. Pretty close to the public library, elementary school is just 2 minutes away. We're asking $19.97. all cash, or we can do a terms deal, 100 down, 100 a month for 60 months. Click on it right here if you wanted to buy online. And $19.97 and $199 documentation fee. Put in your title, how you want to take title, taxes address, where you want the taxes to go, best way to contact you. Some optional things here. Click next, and that'll take you to your credit card information, debit card. You can fill that all in and get a deed to you when all the payments are paid off and you got a piece of property. But you can use the property if you're doing a terms deal. You can build on it or whatever you want to do. That's totally fine if you're doing a terms deal, or all cash, of course, too. Yeah, Concho Lake is it's just north of the property, about 16 minutes away. You're almost in well, you're in Concho. St. John's and Show Low are pretty close. I'll fly it around in Google and show you exactly where. But this is a picture from the street right here. So here's the property. It's like this little horn-shaped property here. That's the lot line right there. And this is taken from Google Earth. So that's that house right there. You can see yeah, more images of the lot, GIS and all that. Here's some details about the property, zip code, GPS center coordinates. Use those here in a minute. Copy those. And here's your GPS corner coordinates. You can plug these in and actually walk around the property boundary with your smartphone if you want. There's power line. Runs right along the street. I'll show you where. Taxes are only $74.20 per year. Closing dock $99. We already talked about that. Half acre. Your elevation. Zoning. It says agricultural zoning, but there's houses all around it, and I think that's wrong. I went to their website on in Concho, and all the properties are zoned agricultural according to the map. So I think you can build on it, but check with the county to be certain. But I mean, when you go to Google Earth, I don't see why you couldn't. So here we are. Already put in the GPS coordinates. I mean, there's houses all around. I mean, that's not zoned agricultural. This is a subdivision, so pretty sure you can build on it. There's power line right there, right there, right there. There's power all around you. I'm sure there's water running along the street. Just trying to find some manhole covers, but yeah, these guys aren't using water catchment, so there's got to be water running along this street. I'm fairly certain of that. That's probably running along the street too. Looks like there's some kind of something there. That's I don't know. Anyway, you can see the power lines, and maybe one of the neighbors is interested in this property here. But this is, that's the elementary school right there. So you can build a house there. Kids could walk to school right there. Little image there. What we got here? This is Frank Wright Group LLC. So this is kind of right here in this area. Gives you an idea what you're looking at. There's some mountains in the background you can see. What else can we find around here? Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, there's the lake. It's about 15 minutes away. Oh, it snows there. Yeah, it's northern Arizona, so you're going to get it all 4 seasons. Not super hot in the winter or summer. Definitely not in the winter. Yeah, Family Dollar. Yeah. Concho, yeah. So you got town of Concho here. I don't know what's there. Maybe they might have a restaurant or something there, or a grocery store. I'm not really sure. What's this? Looks like some fence posts or something. There's a nice tree and flower. But it's like mini storage Or is that a prison? That's mini storage. Yeah. Let's fly in closer and just give you some lay of the land elevation. You're pretty flat right here, but the property line is like, looks like it runs right through here. The trees are cleared out. So you probably build like a little house here. You got little mountains in the background. A little hill over here. That's pretty nice. You got mountain view right there. It's pretty cool. Let that render for a minute. So I'll give you an idea what you're looking at. Yeah, it's a cheap little infill lot. That's what I was going to show you. It's Concho. Let's go over to Instagram. Check out what's going on in Concho, Arizona. Concho, Arizona. See what's going on. Just give you an idea of the area. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. A little rainstorm coming in there. A ridge. Some lavender. Some guys got some artwork. This guy's making jewelry. Oh, I saw this guy earlier. Looks like, I think there's a mine really close by, and this guy goes and he picks up these fossilized pieces of wood or finds them. I don't know if those are fossilized pieces of wood or not, but he finds all kinds of unique, there's some fossilized wood. He'll go and like find some stuff in the mine and make this jewelry. An idea if you're wanting to go off grid. It's coyotes. There's a badger. Wow, it's kind of scary. Coyotes. Looks like a lot of coyotes right off this guy's front porch here. Crazy looking cloud formation there. Pictures of the area. Somebody's junk pile. Coyote. Lots of fossilized wood. And you're pretty close to the petrified forest. Some petroglyphs in the area. Rainbows. That's pretty nice. Sunsets. I think this is a Native American artifact. I think they used to grind seeds and nuts in there. This guy's doing water catchment, or actually filling up this big tote bin and getting water from there. So if you wanted to go off grid like this guy, get your water, buy some water in town, or you know, a lot of these small towns have like a big water tower you can go and can pay. It's pretty cheap usually. It's like, you know, my parents out in Belfouche, South Dakota, they got like this huge well and they go fill it up, and it's like $5 for like 100 gallons. It's just ridiculous, and it's more than they need. They'll go into town like once a month to fill up, take it back to their property, and just use that for bathing or drinking or feeding the animals or watering the animals, I guess. Makes beautiful formations all around there. This guy's got like a lapidary shop going on. He's making jewelry and grinding stuff up. That's kind of cool. That's a business idea if someone's interested. It looks like they got a little farmer's market or something going on there. South Fork Mining, Concho, Arizona. So yeah, well, that's kind of cool. So give you an idea what the area is going to look like. Yeah, I guess that's kind of it. This is Aaron with Vacant Land Guys, and yeah, come check us out. Click on the property, buy it if you want to go for it. Put a link in underneath this video to our website and a buy now link. All right, thanks a lot.